Hey cousins, welcome back to another video. So today's video is going to be pretty laid back and relaxing. So it's storming out right now, and it has been for the past 3 days, and it's supposed to be like this all week this week. We are going to be getting hit by Tropical Storm Debbie. I think she's going to be by us, I want to say Friday morning. So there's rain all week. This is a Sunday when I'm recording this video for y'all. But yeah, today's video, like I said, is pretty laid back and just cozy. That's what I wanted. I'm so ready for fall and just feel all the cozy and warmth. So ready, so that today's video I made like one of our favorite comfort meals, which is chicken and dumplings in today's video. And yeah, I just want to lay back kind of day. So if that's what you want, if you need some cleaning motivation or just someone to hang out with, then stay tuned. You know. So if you notice my left leg looking very shiny, that's because I finally got my koi fish and hibiscus tattoo colored in. So it's pretty tender right now. And it has lots of A&D ointment on it. For a while, I feel it now when I see that smile, like a body of water. Also, I think I'm going to be changing my bedroom around pretty soon. I just need to figure out where I'm going to put everything at. I've thought about putting our dresser in our closet. Our closet is huge, but I want my head of the bed back on this wall, how I had it when we first moved in. And I really want to do like a seating area at the foot of our bed. To the edges of my soul. I could sit around and wait all day. You lay easy on my mind, like a candle I just burn away. All we really have is time. All we really have is time. I don't wanna waste it.
it with anybody but you. I don't wanna waste it on anybody. Take it with anybody but you. What was it they used to say? Seeking you will find. There is nothing in you that is fading. All you ever do is shine. You are brighter all the time. And I don't wanna waste it on anybody. Take it with
Also, once I got done with recording today's video, me and the girls went out to my shed and we brought in all 3 or 4 of my fall / Thanksgiving decor totes, and I think I'm going to start going through them tomorrow, seeing what I have. I highly doubt I'm going to be buying any new decor. I'm just going to use the decor that I have, which I bought a lot of new decor last year. So I'm super excited to be sharing a fall decor video with y'all pretty soon, so make sure you stick around for that.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way, don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand, look me in the eye.
So now it's time to get dinner started, and I'm just going to fill my pot up with some water and add in 3 chicken bouillon cubes.
You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love.
So I'm going to dust my blinds as well as our bookshelf. My blinds, I'd really love to take them down and put them in the bathtub with some cleaning solution, but with it raining outside, I'd rather not do that. I'm pretty sure I'll end up doing it as soon as all this rain goes away, but for now, just a quick dusting will do.
All that we have is each other now. Promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love. Tell me what you wanna do. I'll do anything, as long as I can be here
said it was the last time, but you keep coming back to tell me sorry that you take back all the things you said just to hurt me. Our love just went cold, but I'm still burning. Our love just went cold. Why? I keep on making the same mistake. I always let you back in when I begin to get myself together again. You are back once more, like everything's the same. I tried to build my walls up, but you're taking them down. It's tearing me apart, I can't pretend. Now I have to get over you again. You said it was the last time, but you keep coming back to show me sorry you have changed now. But it's the same old story. Our love just went cold, but I'm still burning. Our love just went cold. Why? You are back once more, like everything's the same. I tried to build my walls up, but you're taking them down. It's tearing me apart, I can't pretend. Now I have to get over you again. Have to get over you again. Have to get over you. I keep on making the same mistake. I always let you back in when I begin to get myself together again. You are back once more, like everything's the same. I tried to build my walls up, but you're taking them down. It's tearing me. I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorites.
I did use 2 boxes of low sodium chicken broth. I guess I lost that footage, but once it gets to a boil, I'm going to go ahead and add in my biscuits. For my biscuits, I just cut those up into quarters and I'll roll them up pretty tight and just drop them in. So before I served this to the family, I did take a few of those dumplings out and I cut them up into quarters again because
Tongue on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. I could stop the time, don't you know that I would?